Okay, welcome back to Grandma Ray Don't Play, and I'm Rachel. So I want to talk about what are the effects of abuse. What is abuse? So I have some notes, okay? I'm going to be looking at my notes every now and then. Abuse is the mistreatment from one person towards another. Or you could be the abuser. Okay? You can be the receiver or you can be the one giving the abuse. Alright? The abuse may do the following things. The abuser could physically abuse you. That means hit you, I don't know, bite you, put some physical beatings on you, black eyes, anything physical, throw something at you, anything physical, okay? They may yell because that's supposed to let you know that they're mad, and you know when they start yelling and getting out of control that, oh, now you need to get nervous and afraid because you don't know what's going to come next. The abuse is coming, whether it's physical or mental or verbal, okay? They sit and plot out on what they're going to do to you, or how they're going to control you, or what they're going to make you say, or anything like that. Total abuse. You are not in control of you, your mind, your thoughts, your words, nothing. You have to say things that they want you to say. You have to do things their way, okay? If not, the abuse kicks in. And sometimes, even when you do everything right according to the way they want you to do it, the abuse still kicks in because they have to always be implementing abuse because that makes them feel better, that they're controlling somebody, okay? They may have a weapon. They may have a gun in the house and threaten you with the gun. They may have even held a gun up to you so that you'll know that the fear is there and that they could possibly use that. Or they may say, if you don't do what they say, that they're going to straighten your mother out or your father out, or they'll abuse your kids, or they'll kick the dog, or whatever. Just long as they're demonstrating some type of abuse, they're okay with that, and you are on edge at all times. It's just a wonder that you can stand up under the pressure. Okay. Why do the person taking the abuse stay with the abuser? Why do you stay with them? Oh, I've heard all kind of excuses. Oh, I love him or her. They're just mad today. They're gonna they'll be okay tomorrow. Those are all excuses. It is what it is, okay? What you see is what you get. And don't worry, it's not getting better tomorrow. It actually might get worse tomorrow because they're so used to you taking it until this is the norm for them, and they're just going to keep putting it out there because you keep taking it in. Yes, you are the one who is taking it in. You're getting the abuse. You're getting mentally tortured. They may tell you you're fat, out of shape, nobody wants you. You can't keep a clean house. You're not a good mother, or you're not a good father, or you don't make enough money. Although they're taking all your money, you don't make enough money. Anything. They'll look at your deficiencies and find something, and they'll work on that because they know that's the one thing that bothers you, right? Why do the women like bad boys? The abusive bad boys. Why do you like them? What's really attractive about that? Okay, so they make you laugh once in a while, but what about the other 90% of the time? You're in fear. The tension in the house is so thick you can't cut it with a knife. It's just crazy, right? And why do you guys like bad girls? You know, okay, so she may look good, she may look pretty and everything, but she also may be just out of her mind. You know, she may physically attack you. Yeah, guys get hit on and beat on too, and you can't do nothing about it because she'll call the police on you, and then you end up with a case. Really, is all that worth it? You know, and no, it's not getting better. You know, maybe they need to be on some medication, and they're in denial on that. So they take their abuse out on you, you know. And all you can do is take it or run out the house or something like that. But you keep coming back for more. Why is that, guys? Is she that pretty that you're going to take that and end up with a case and a problem? I don't think so. Okay. Why do men stay in the situation and women stay in the situation just because they have a child by the abuser, or they may have several kids by the abuser, and the abuser tell you, oh no, nobody else is going to be around my kids, but yet they're demonstrating these types of behaviors in front of their kids so that their kids will see how this works. So now the kids know that they can abuse you because you're taking it from this person, right? And the kids also are on edge because every time you get beat down, they're all scared and nervous for mommy or daddy. And where does that end up? That ends up with a problem with the kids later. They start acting out. Yes. What message do you send to your kids when you stay with the abuser? The message is, I love this abuser more than I love myself and my kids. That's the message you send to your kids. Is that the message that you want them to have? You don't want them in that type of environment. Please stop, hit the stop button, and do something about it. Okay, so you're going to say, well, he or she is the provider, and that's why I can't leave. Well, you know what? If you have to get 2 or 3 jobs while you're in the abusive situation to get yourself out, get yourself out. Or maybe you just have to go out before you get the job, and you have to go to somebody's house or to a shelter, or wherever you need to go for safe haven. You need to do that, and then as soon as you do that, try to get yourself together and get you a job and try to support yourself so that you can put you and your children in a better environment away from the abuser. Okay? Because you could end up with a concussion or a broken arm or anything, or dead. You know, really, do you want that? I don't think you want that. You really need to look at that situation with a new eye and decide that you are not going to live your life like that. Okay? Are you an enabler? An enabler is a person that supports the abuse, supports that person, supports that person's behavior. That's an enabler. You allow it to happen. You support it. Is that what you want your legacy to be? Are you going to look back 10 years from now and realize that you just wasted 10 years with this person and that did not work out? And please, whatever you do, don't go get the next abusive relationship. Because, you know, sometimes we get the same type of relationship that we had before. Because like I said, you get used to this stuff. Okay? But try to change. Try not to get that type of relationship again. Because it didn't work for you this time. And it's not going to work for you next time. Okay? Alright, so this is a message from Grandma Ray Don't Play. And I'm Rachel. Please hit that like button. If you like the video, hit the like button. And please subscribe if this is your first time on my channel. I welcome you all. And share the video, because everybody needs to know what are the signs of an abuser, and everybody needs to know how to get out that situation, and how to make sure that you have a stable, better life for you and your kids. Okay? All right. Until next time, I'll talk to you soon. Okay. Bye-bye.